a bit too much grip in it, just push it, it's just...
On grass it just slides, but something else in it.
It runs sweet as a nut.
On the button, yeah.
Mint.
Very responsive.
Yeah, not missing a beat.
What can you see? Doesn't it feel weird that you're in it?
It's great when you're going around corner and you're like drifting it like that.
What would you give it out of 10 on the first go?
10.
Imagine if it's the R500 top end on.
Yeah. Just come around corner, do a little bit of drifting in up there.
Don't roll into that. You like it there. I just like watching you in it.
Yeah. It's mint. Like I said, it's just going this way, it's just a bit too much grip and it just, when I get on the gas at turn it just lifts the front end and it just pushes.
When you jump it, what was it jump?
It worked so bad before when I was coming in, I was like drifting it, it's in the back brake, skidding it and then get on the power to get it spinning.
You can see you getting more confident.
Yeah, it's good stuff. Oh, one more go, do a nice little drift.